Welcome to my channel. My name is Ivana and I am the founder and owner of AI company, which stands for AI Creative Interiors. Now, I'm here to help you transform your outdated spaces into the home of your dreams without the stress and overwhelm that often comes with renovation projects. If you are like many other homeowners, you might be living with a kitchen that's seen better days. So that's outdated cabinets, worn out countertops, and a layout that just doesn't work for your lifestyle. You know it's time for change, but the thought of tackling a renovation on your own can be so daunting. Many older kitchens have layouts that are poorly designed, cramped, and lack an efficient workflow between the main zones, so preparation, cooking, cleaning, and storage. Now, this makes the space feel cluttered and very inconvenient to use. In older kitchens, we also find a lack of storage space. So, whether it's insufficient cabinetry, pantry space, and organizational solutions may leave us struggling to neatly store all the kitchen items that we need, appliances, and food supplies. Clutter builds up quickly. And you know it's time for a change, but the thought of tackling a renovation project on your own can be daunting. And that's where I come in. At AICI, we specialize in using cutting edge AI technology to create stunning, personalized interior design concepts that take away the pain out of modernizing your home. Our AI powered design process makes it easy and affordable for you to visualize and achieve your dream space without the stress and guesswork of traditional renovation projects. In this video, I'll be focusing on one of the most common pain points homeowners face, and that is an outdated kitchen. I'll walk you through 5 stunning design styles and share a detailed cost breakdown from a reputable local building company and show you how our AI technology can help you explore and visualize these styles in your own kitchen. Whether you're drawn to the calm and tranquility of a coastal inspired spaces or the sleek sophistication of a minimalist design, I've got you covered. And if you're not sure where to start, don't worry. Our AI powered design service can help you discover your perfect style and create a space that truly reflects your unique taste and lifestyle. So, guys, if you're ready to say goodbye to your outdated kitchen and hello to the heart of your home, keep watching. I'll be sharing tons of inspiration, practical advice, and exclusive offers to help you kickstart your renovation journey. Let's get started. Guys, so let me quickly introduce you to the kitchen that we are renovating today, and here she is. Now, of course, she has seen better days, so we can all agree on that. So, guys, before we go on, I just want to mention that in this particular video, I'm sharing 5 different design styles, how to transform this kitchen. But I've got another video coming very, very soon that you really cannot miss if you're interested in renovating projects. And that is going to be how to use mood boards and specialized colors in these interiors and what it does for our kitchen. So, guys, please subscribe to this channel so you don't miss that tutorial. I also want to point out, you guys, that AI can help us create the most amazing, luxurious interiors we can imagine, and you only need to look at my Facebook page and my Instagram to see what I mean. But visuals are one thing, but we also need to pay for this renovation. So what I'm trying to do with this project, and it's going to be a series of videos, sorting out different pain points throughout the home, is to keep it quite budget friendly. So I've asked the local building company for the costs of some of the projects that we're going to be discussing. And I've also sort of been really focusing on keeping the layout of the room same throughout the renders, so that we're really keeping the cost down and we're not going to be massively luxurious or anything like that, which is, for many of us, it's out of our budget. So that's the focus of my series, to sort of like work within our budgets. And now I'm going to leave you to enjoy 5 different kitchen design styles that you can easily implement in your own home. have the visuals, but how much would it cost to create a dream-like Coastal Dreams kitchen? Well, I've gone to my local building company that has been personally recommended to me, and this is what they said. And there we have it, cost for a beautiful, beautiful renovated kitchen. Now, I'm pretty sure, that we can still keep some of the other costs down. Guys, so I hope that you've really enjoyed this video. Don't forget that I can create any home decor products and ideas for you. So give it a try. I do offer 2 free renders, whether you want to have visuals of your kitchen, living room, or simply, mood boards for products. I am here to help. So guys, I would be so happy to see you at my website, checking it out, and also follow me on social media for endless daily inspiration. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Thank you.